how to do live match with someone on TikTok. So if you want to do a live match with someone on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. So the first thing we need to do is open up our TikTok and then go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon, and you'll have go live. You'll have post and go live. So you need to tap on go live. In my case, I don't have 1,000 followers, so I don't have the live option. But if you have the live option, you just need to tap on go live and start your live. Once you're on your live section, on the bottom of your screen, on the bottom left corner, you will have an option of guest. You'll have two options mainly, host and guest. So you need to click on host icon. Once you click on that, you're going to find people who are already live on their own account on TikTok. So you can choose the advise people to play a live match with you. Once you click on the invite button, which will be on the right side, then they'll be able to choose to play a live match with you by accepting your invite. So you just need to simply go and invite them from the host section, and once they accept your invite, you'll do live match with that person on TikTok. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.